Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, brothers and sisters. This is part 2 of a past upload on the biological effects of radiation. This time, we focus on the use of X-ray and electron beam as sources of energy in fish irradiation. So just hang on till the end of this video, watch and learn. The problem is food is often irradiated with either X-rays or electron beams to help prevent spoilage. A low dose of 5 to 75 kilorads helps to reduce and kill inactive parasites. A medium dose of 100 to 400 kilorad kills microorganisms and pathogens such as Salmonella, and a high dose of 2,300 to 5,700 kilorad sterilizes food so that it can be stored without refrigeration. Question letter A. A dose of 175 kilorad kills spoilage microorganisms in fish. If X-rays are used with RBE of 1.00, what would be the absorbed dose in gray, the equivalent dose in sievert, and in REM, and how much energy would a 220-gram portion of fish absorb? Uh, Question letter B. Repeat part A. If electrons of RBE 1.50 are used instead of X-rays. So given in the table are the different values for RBE. All right. RBE means the relative biological effectiveness. All right, of the type of radiation. In this problem, we're given the following data and information. Number one, we have the relative biological effectiveness or RBE of the radiation X-ray equal to 1.00 sievert per gray. So sievert per gray is the SI unit of RBE. In table 1 presented earlier, you must have noticed that RBE of 1.00 sievert per gray is also numerically equal to 1.00 rem per rad. Okay, rem per rad is an older unit, but is still commonly used. Another information or data given here in this problem is the absorbed dose of X-ray. All right, equal to 175 kilorad. And of course, the mass of the portion of the fish that is exposed to the X-ray radiation. Small m represents this mass, so it is equal to 220.5 grams. For target variables, in part A, we have the absorbed dose uh, expressed in gray, the equivalent dose expressed in sievert and in rem. Likewise, we also required to compute the energy that is absorbed by the fish, denoted here by capital E. And in part B, we simply repeat part A, but this time the source of the radiation are the electrons with RBE of 1.50 instead of X-rays. Moving on now to our computations, starting with part A, converting the given absorbed dose of 175 kilorad to its SI unit gray. So we convert 175 kilorad to rad, and that is 175 times 10 raised to the third power rod, and multiply it by the conversion factor 0.0100 gray per 1 rod. So when you do our math, we have the equivalent value for the absorbed dose in gray, 1,750 gray in 3 significant figures. Take note, gray is the SI unit of absorbed dose, which literally means the amount of energy delivered to a given mass of the body that is exposed to the radiation. 1 gray is equivalent to 1 joule per kilogram. And so, computing the equivalent dose in sievert, we use the formula. Equivalent dose in sievert equals the RBE of the given radiation, in this case X-ray, and then multiply it by the computed absorbed dose expressed in gray. That is 1,750 gray times 1.00 sievert per gray, which of course, when multiplied, will give us 1,750 sievert, right? It is just numerically the same as the absorbed dose, 1,750 gray. Observed dose by itself is not an adequate measure of biological effect because equal energies of different kinds of radiation cause different extents of biological effect. And this variation is described by a numerical factor called the relative biological effectiveness, or RBE, right, of each specific radiation. You may check table number 1, which was presented earlier. So earlier, we've just computed the equivalent dose, okay, in the SI unit sievert equal to 1,750 sievert. Just exactly, what is this equivalent dose when expressed in REM? Okay, we mentioned earlier that REM is an older unit for equivalent dose, but is more commonly used. So, uh, to convert sievert to REM, all we need to do is multiply 1,750 sievert by the conversion factor. That is, in 1 rem, we have 0.0 100 sieverts, right? We're expressing it in 3 significant figures. So that means 1,750 sieverts is equal to 175 times 10 raised to the third power rem, right? In case you still don't know, the unit rem is actually an acronym or short for what we call Roentgen equivalent man, right? Roentgen being an old uh, unit or measure of radiation exposure. And this has been replaced by REM, Roentgen equivalent man. So, what's next? We now compute the energy that is absorbed by the fish or by the portion of the fish, all right, exposed to the X-ray radiation. How do we do that? All right, we simply express the absorbed dose, okay, in gray in terms of joules per kilogram, and then multiply it by the mass of the portion of the fish that is exposed to the radiation or X-ray radiation. That is, the energy capital E is equal to 1,750 gray, or that is joules per kilogram, times the value of the mass small m, 0.220 kilogram. So when you do our math, we find the value of the energy absorbed by the fish equal to 385 joules in 3 significant figures. Right? So this amount of energy absorbed by the fish is just enough to kill spoilage microorganisms. All right? Uh, in the 220-gram portion of the fish. In part B, we are supposed to repeat question letter E, but this time we consider electrons as the source of the radiation. So electrons has RBE of 1.50 sievert per gray or rem per rod. That means you're going to find the absorbed dose in gray, the equivalent dose in sievert, as well as in rem, and then calculate the amount of energy or total energy uh, that would be absorbed by a portion of the fish, okay, with a mass of 220 point grams. So for our computations in part B, the observed dose that we computed earlier in part A is just the same as the absorbed dose here in part B, which is equal to 1,750 gray, while the equivalent dose in sievert is simply uh, the amount absorbed dose, 1,750 gray, multiplied by the value of the relative biological effectiveness, or RBE, of electrons, which is given in the table 1.50 sievert per gray. So when we multiply these two quantities, we get the equivalent dose in sievert equal to 2,630 sieverts in three significant figures. Likewise, when converted to rem, right, the equivalent dose of 2,630 sievert, okay, when converted to rem, we simply multiply that by the conversion factor. 1 rem being equal to 0.0100 sieverts, and we get the value of the equivalent dose in rem equal to 263 times 10 raised to the third power rem, also in three significant figures. And finally, calculating the total amount of energy that is absorbed by that portion of the fish, okay, exposed to the radiation uh, with a mass of 0.220 kilogram. Okay, we multiply the absorbed dose in gray, but already expressed in joules per kilogram, and that is 1,750 gray or joules per kilogram times 0.220 kilogram. So when we do our math, we get the total amount of energy absorbed by the fish equal to 385 joules. Right? So notice that um, the computed amount of total energy absorbed by the fish or by the 220-gram portion of the fish using electrons as source of radiation is actually just the same as the total energy absorbed by the same portion of the fish, okay, with X-ray as the source of radiation. But in terms of the equivalent dose in sieverts or even in rem, right, it is obviously uh, much greater in the case of uh, electrons as the source of radiation. And this is primarily because of the greater relative biological effectiveness or RBE value for electrons as compared to that of X-ray. So on this note, may I say, mabuhay! Till the next episode, Masha Allah. Thank you very much for your indulgence. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alhamdulillah.